Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you one of our newest listings located at 5204 North Cambridge Avenue in the Northland of Kansas City, Missouri. Located in the Meadowbrook subdivision, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on nearly half an acre. It has a beautiful open concept living space as well. One of the really unique things about this property is the basement. While you have a full basement under the living space of this ranch home, there is also a suspended slab under the garage. It's perfect for storm shelter and storage. I've been in probably over 1,000 homes in my career, and I've never seen that feature on a home like this. I'm Joe Nelson with the Nelson Home Group at Keller Williams, Kansas City's highest rated real estate team on Google. Let's go check it out. Walking through the front door, you are immediately greeted with warm wood floors and a soaring ceiling. The brick fireplace is wood burning for the perfect crackle on a cold evening and faces both the main living space and dining area. The wood floors extend through the other end of the home where the hall bath sets between 2 bedrooms, with the primary bedroom sitting on the opposite side. Laundry hookups in the garage provide true main level living. The partially finished basement is set up so that you can enjoy it as a family room. A second full bath on the lower level allows you to turn the space into your own with the potential for an additional bedroom. It walks out into the massive backyard, level enough for easy maintenance. This home truly is move-in ready. Thank you for checking out this beautiful home with me today. Another one of my favorite features about this house has to be this kitchen. Beautiful tile floors, granite countertops. It's so perfect for just spending an evening and cooking dinner. If you'd like to see this home in person, make sure to reach out and we can schedule a tour. Our contact information is in the description box below. And remember, if you're thinking about buying or selling and you want to work with the #1 rated team in Kansas City, make sure to give us a call. Thanks. See you next time.